Alright, today we're going to be harvesting the rest of our potatoes that we grew in containers. We have 3 buckets to do. This one, the white one, and that one. That still has a little longer. This one looks pretty good already. Like it grew a good amount. If you guys remember, we started these potatoes in April, I believe, sometime. There's a video posted of us growing them, planting them. And we just put potatoes on like an inch or 2 of dirt, covered them, not very deeply. And then we just mounded the dirt as the potatoes grow up. That's a seed, yeah. Seed potatoes always look rotten like this one. And these are the goods. A lot of ants in this dirt. The red, we seem to get a higher yield per bucket, but I did just 1 bucket one day, and I got a little bit more than that, so at least it's better than when we just got 2. It's hot out here today, mid-80s. We're about to wrap it up for today. Whether you grow determinate or indeterminate potatoes kind of has something to do with how much you'll harvest too. I need to do more research myself to figure out which kind would be the best for us to grow. We don't claim to be professionals here. We're just learning. Learn as we go. One year we grew and we only got one potato, I think, out when we did it downtown. Yeah, so every year we see slow improvements. This is what we got so far. I said in my last video, and I'll say it again, do not throw your dirt away. You can amend this and use this to grow other things. We'll add some garden tone. I plan on using these pails to grow some broccoli and stuff for the fall. Only because I thought I had more seed potatoes, but I can't find them. I think they are, but they weren't seed potatoes I bought. They were ones from the house, like from the store-bought potatoes that, whoo, something got me on my neck. We used some 511 fish fertilizer today in the garden, and boy, it brought the flies out to play. Them things, they came rolling in like they was gonna jump us. Look at those. I love picking red potatoes. I like picking potatoes, period, but the red, I don't know. I like that better. Maybe when we pick the purple next week, I feel different. Oh, the ants is on me. Whew, I dropped you guys in the dirt, sorry. Why? Because they're two different colors?
Yeah.
I had a variety bag. It had some of all the kinds of potatoes in there. And that's what we got, guys. We're going to keep our dirt, put it back into these pots. We water our dirt even if there's nothing in the pot. If it's just a pot of dirt, we water everything else. That dirt gets watered too. There's a word for what it is if you don't water your dirt and then it gets to where it doesn't absorb water when you water it. I don't know. I can't remember what that word is right now. But that's our harvest of potatoes today, y'all. Look at me, baby. All right, till next time, guys.